Hello guys, welcome to Food Crunch with Phyllis, and as usual I'm your host Phyllis Boache. Today we are going to marinate saemon, yes, or salmon or saemon, aka Simon. And then yeah, berry fish. I feel like I want to eat something more than just putting it in salt and frying. So stay tuned, okay? If you like the channel and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and also comment below. So let's dive into making our marinated saemon. Okay, now let's go in. With our method, we put all our ingredients in a bowl. Yep. This is the pepper and the garlic cloves, and then these, ouch, don't worry, I didn't get busted. These are spices, so we'll mix everything together. Yeah, you have to taste it to see if your salt is enough, and then you add your 2 tablespoons of olive oil into your bowl. Now stir it very well, and then put your fish into it. When you are marinating fish, it doesn't have to be marinated for so long, okay? So what I'm doing is that I'm dipping it inside, then I'll put it back in the bowl. I'll do for all of them. Now that they've all had their share of the marinade, we are going to pour the marinade over them. And then this time, if you cannot use this, you have to go in with your hands. Make sure that the marinade goes into the fish very well, just like that. We are going to leave this in the fridge for not more than 2 hours. In fact, when you are marinating fish, you don't leave it marinated for too long, otherwise it's going to suck out all the good juice from the fish. All right, so let's do that and then we'll get back. This has been in the fridge for less than 1 hour because I'm very hungry, so I'm going to toss it into the oven. All right, so you have to grease your rack with oil of your choice. So this has been cooking for a while now, so you turn it. Please make sure that your oven is on grill, so keep an eye on it and then be turning so that everywhere is cooked. You've seen the juice in it, very beautiful. Weni enampano inti dane no. Na emme kama. Guys, the food is ready, okay? Some say me kondo by reninya do stew. And na my no. Next time I'll show you how I make my garden egg stew. But today let's concentrate on our salmon. Okay, apparently it's called mackerel. In Ghana for a free mackerel salmon and now salmon. Anyway, let's taste it and see. Have you seen how juicy it is? Juicy. Aha. Ah, Charlie. Please do some as well and comment below if you like the spices, my recipe as well. I use all natural recipes and so please, if you like the channel, please subscribe below, like if you like what is going on, and also comment below as well. Thank you very much, M Family Photography. See you in my next video on Friday at 4 p.m. Ghana time. Bye.